In this short lesson, we're going to look at inscribed quadrilaterals in circles. So let's get started. If a quadrilateral is inscribed or inside of a circle, then its opposite angles are supplementary. And remember, supplementary means that the two angles equal 180 degrees. So our opposite angles here are angles A and C. So we could say that the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle C is equal to 180 degrees, and then the other two opposite angles here are D and B. So we could say the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle D is also equal to 180. So let's try a few problems using this information here. So let's take a look at these two examples here. So the first one here, we want to find the measure of the three angles P, R, and S. So first I can see right off the bat that I have angle Q. So the opposite angle would be supplementary, meaning they equal 180. So I could just say 180 minus 93, and that is equal to 87 degrees. So the measure of angle S is 87 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and plug that in. And then I have to find angles P and R. So I'm given an arc. I'm given an arc PS and arc PQ. So I want to find, if I could find arc QS, I could find a measure of angle P here. So I'm going to subtract 360 minus 90 minus 126 because remember, a circle has 360 degrees. And once I subtract that, I get 144. So arc QS is 144. So this piece right here. All right, so that's 144. And remember with inscribed angles, so angle P is an inscribed angle, meaning the vertex is on the edge of the circle, and the other two sides are chords. So remember the rule for inscribed angles, the angle is half of the arc. So if arc QS is 144, then half of that, if I just divide by 2, that gives me 72. So the measure of angle P is 72, because if arc QS is 144 right here, then half of it would be 72. So angle P is 72. So now I could find angle R because they are supplementary. So I could do 180 minus 72, and that gives me 108 degrees. So angle R is 108 degrees. So you have to use your knowledge of inscribed angles as well with inscribed quadrilaterals. So the next one, it says to solve for x. And so we already have opposite angles shown here, 68 or angle E. And angle G is 9x minus 5. Again, opposite angles are supplementary, meaning they equal 180 degrees. So the only thing I'm going to do, set up an equation, 9x minus 5 here, plus 68 right here is equal to 180, and just solve for x. So that would be 9x, so negative 5 plus 68, that would be 63. Just have this two-step equation left here. 180 minus 63 is 117, and then we divide by 9. X is 13. So we have solved for x. So now in the next two examples, I would like for you to try them. Okay, so I just have these two problems here I would like for you to try on your own. So go ahead and pause the video and try these two problems on your own. All right, so go ahead and check your answers. I hope you got them correct. The measure of angle J is 88. Angle K is 135. And then for the second one here, or number 4, X is 11. So hopefully you got it correct. If not, go ahead and pause the video and check my work here just a little more. All right, so we've reached the end of this lesson. I told you it was going to be short. I want to thank you for learning with me. Some related videos are inscribed angles, so that's a prerequisite skill actually to this lesson, as well as another related video is arc lengths in a circle. If you haven't already, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And once again, I want to thank you for learning with me.